What a Thursday across the valley. Good evening, everyone. As we get ready to wrap up a work week here, we have some big changes on the way, and overnight is when the big transition does occur. But for now, things remain quiet, and taking a look at the past week's moisture making a big time difference in our latest drought update. First and foremost, from Norman County straight through parts of Polk County and into northern reaches of Beltrami County, we had over the last week 1 to 5 inches of estimated rainfall by Doppler radar. Now here's a look at last week's drought conditions. Where you see the dark red, that's exceptional drought. Watch what the rain did. Boom, it's gone. The exceptional drought is gone. Some improvement in northwest Minnesota, some improvement and expansion of the area not in drought at all in the Southern Valley. So good news. Now, we still have a large area in the red here, which is still in extreme and even severe drought, but some big time improvement. And that is something that we'll put a feather in our hat for. Here's some colors. Beautiful Horseman Lake up there. Thanks, Ms. Thompson, for sharing that. Look at the foliage report from the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources. And look at this up near Hallock and all the way down into the, well, Red Lake area. We are starting to see some peak color conditions there. In fact, the northern half of Minnesota all really starting to see a lot of change. In the southern half, things are just getting started, and a trip up the North Shore might be worthwhile this weekend if you have time. Take a look at your current conditions. At Hector, it's 60 degrees. Wind has calmed down significantly, and our dew points are in the 50s. Now, as we take a look around the region, it's coolest out near Wadena, 54 there, 56 in the Grand Forks area, 64 for you in the Cheyenne River Valley of Valley City. Cold front's on the way. Clouds are on the increase out to the west, and behind the cold front, we're actually starting to see some developing showers in the oil patch, and that's what's heading our way overnight. Your clouds will be on the increase as we head to bed, and then we'll have spotty sprinkle chances until just before daybreak, and then we'll have a better chance at seeing some spotty showers of rain. Now, this looks widespread, looks like everybody's getting a lot, but this won't be the case. The air over is fairly dry. A lot of these raindrops will evaporate before they get to the ground, but what we will notice is spotty areas of light rain in the morning half of the day. By the midday hour, we still could see some remnant showers in central Minnesota, but notice the clearing taking place in our western counties, and a northwest wind will take hold with gusts over 30 miles per hour for some of us. Improvement from midday on as far as sky conditions go, but the wind will be gusting over 25 to 35 miles per hour, and temperatures will be stapled in the 60-degree range for many of us. In fact, low 60s and a few 50s out there. The wind dies down very quickly at sunset, and that means Friday night football, soccer practice, you name it. It's going to be a little on the cool side for your evening activities tomorrow. In fact, it's cool all day with the best chance of any showers in Fargo in the drive time hours as you're heading to work. Temperatures in the 50s, rising into the low 60s, sunshine, gusty wind, and tomorrow evening, cool and clear with calming winds. Your 4 o'clock snapshot showing your travel time home forecast looks to be quiet, low 60s for almost all of us. Beautiful shot here of a moon rising over the Devil's Lake area. Thanks, Brian, for sharing your photo. Planning forecast shows after a cool close to the work week, the thermal energy increases as we go into the weekend. We're talking near 70 on Saturday. How about 76 wonderful degrees on Sunday? And that's not all. Take a look at this. 74 on Monday. Monday will lead to a full bucket of awesome sauce on your Tuesday. 81 degrees, a little breezy. The next chance of some more widespread shower activity begins late Wednesday night into Thursday. That could last a couple of days, so get your outdoor funning in.
Sounds good. Get those McNuggets dipped into that awesome sauce.
That's a good idea. I recommend it.
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.